Chiwenga highlights purpose over power. The 10th of September 2025, by a correspondent, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has declared that leadership should be defined by purpose rather than power, a remark interpreted by some observers as a veiled reference to his ongoing succession rivalry with President Emerson Mnangagwa. Chiwenga made the statement on Monday while addressing ZANU-PF members at the launch of the Women's Empowerment Fund at the Harare International Conference Center, shortly before inviting Mnangagwa to deliver his keynote address. Transparency is the cornerstone of effective leadership, Chiwenga said, urging party members to prioritize service over personal ambition. The remarks come at a time when ZANU-PF is grappling with internal divisions, with growing speculation about who will succeed Mnangagwa when his term ends in 2028. In his address, Mnangagwa praised Zimbabwean women for their resilience in the face of economic hardship, sanctions, and climate challenges. He said the government would continue investing in women's growth and empowerment as a way of driving sustainable development. When women have economic power, families are sustained and communities are transformed, Mnangagwa said. The Women's Empowerment Fund, launched at the event, is part of a broader government strategy to strengthen women's participation in the economy, equipping them socially and intellectually to lead transformation in households and communities across the country.